Yes. Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. How are you? I hope you all are well. So listen students. Today we will discuss the exercise of chapter 2. Okay. The kinds of sentences. Okay students. Today we will discuss the exercise only the kinds of sentences. Those are given in your book. So student, let's see first exercise. Read the following sentences carefully and write down their types in the boxes. So listen student, you have to read this exercise carefully and you have to write its types of and given bracket. Okay. So your first इसके टाइप्स आपको लिखने हैं, जो ये ब्रैकेट दिया गया है इसमें आपको इसके टाइप्स लिखने हैं कि कौन सा किस तरह का सेंटेंस है. आई टोल्ड यू इन माई वीडियोज काइंड्स ऑफ सेंटेंस दैट देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेज. देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेज. फर्स्ट वन इज असर्टिव, सेकेंड वन इज इम्पेरेटिव, थर्ड वन इज इंट्रोगेटिव एंड फोर्थ वन इज exclamatory sentence. So assertive and imperative sentences, at the end of these sentences we put full stop. Okay. And interrogative we put question mark, and exclamatory sentence we put at the end of the exclamation sign. Okay. So by this sign you identify easily these sentences. So first, okay, what are you doing? What are you doing? It means you can see student, there is sign of question mark. There is sign of question mark. I told that in interrogative sentence we put sign of question mark at the end of the sentence. So there is sign of the question mark. So you can easily identify this is the interrogative sentence. So you can write in bracket this is the interrogative sentence because it's asking question. What are you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? He is a man of courage. He is a man of courage. वह साहसी आदमी है. Okay. Then this is the which kind of sentence is this? At the end of you can see there is full stop. There is full stop. So full stop we put only in assertive and imperative. But in this there is subject. In imperative there is no subject in mostly sentence. But here is there is subject. So this sentence is about subject. Okay. कि he is man of courage. इसमें इसके बारे में बताया गया है सब्जेक्ट कि वह मैन आदमी साहसी आदमी है. तो ये किस तरह का सेंटेंस बना? ये असर्टिव सेंटेंस है. तो यू कैन राइट इन द गिवन बॉक्स असर्टिव सेंटेंस. व्हाट एन इंटरेस्टिंग बुक. लिसन स्टूडेंट, यू कैन चेक इट साइन. देयर इज एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन. सो यू कैन इजीली आइडेंटिफाई दिस इज अ एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. इट वॉज अ सन्नी डे. This is also assertive sentence. Look at the blackboard. Look at the blackboard. I told you in imperative sentence, the imperative sentence start with the main verb. So look, what is look here? There is no subject. So what is look here? Look here is a main verb. So you can identify you can identify this. This is the imperative sentence because at the end of the sentence there is a full stop also. So you can easily identify this is a imperative sentence because imperative sentence always start with the main verb. Or in this type of sentence there is request, suggestion, advice, order, command. Okay. Where are you going? Where are you going? There is sign also question mark. So you can easily identify interrogative. May I help you? Sign is question mark. So you can, this is a interrogative sentence. It is raining heavily. Assertive sentence because okay, it is raining heavily. इसमें rain के बारे में बताया गया है. Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. It means I am giving someone is giving order. Don't make a noise. It's an imperative sentence. How generous of you. How generous of you. This is a exclamatory sentence because of there is a exclamation sign. Okay. Second exercise yours is put the correct punctuation at the end of the following sentences. तो लिसन स्टूडेंट, इस वाली एक्सरसाइज में आपको पंक्चुएशन मार्क लगाने हैं कि यहाँ पे मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंटेंस कौन सा पंक्चुएशन मार्क सही होगा, वो आपको इसके लास्ट में लगाना है, ठीक है। जैसे फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज में आपके पंक्चुएशन मार्क लगे हुए थे, बट इसमें लगे हुए नहीं, तो आपको इसमें पंक्चुएशन मार्क लगाना है, ठीक है। वॉट एन इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट ही इज़, विच काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस इज दिस? Yes, tell me. Yes, this is a exclamatory sentence. You have to put the exclamation sign at the end of the sentence. I shall meet you tomorrow. I shall meet you tomorrow. This is a assertive sentence, okay? Because it's a statement. The earth moves around the sun. It is also a statement, so you have to put full stop. What is the matter? What is the matter? It means I am asking question. What is the matter? Okay. So you have to put question mark at the end of question. End of the sentence. He drank water to quench his thirst. He drank water to quench his thirst. It means वह अपनी मतलब कि उसने पानी पिया अपनी प्यास बुझाने के लिए. Which type of sentence is this? This is a assertive sentence, so you have to put full stop. Okay. Agra is full of historical monuments. Okay. Agra is full of historical monuments. So you have also put here full stop. Okay. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? It means I am asking question, yes or no. Do you like coffee? Okay. So you have to put here question mark, because I am asking question कि तुम्हें कॉफ़ी पसंद है या नहीं पसंद है. Birds build nest on trees. Birds build nest on trees. This is the assertive sentence, so you have to put full stop. Okay. How pleasant the weather is. How pleasant the weather is, कि मौसम कितना अच्छा है. You can say it means this is the exclamatory sentence, because there is a strong feeling in this sentence, so you have to put the exclamation sign. Okay. May I borrow your book please? May I borrow your book please? It means this is a question कि क्या मैं तुम्हारी बुक ले सकता हूँ. Okay. So you have to put here question mark. Okay student, I hope you are getting what I am saying. Okay. So do this exercise like this. Third exercise, your look at the picture, write 4 kinds of sentences about each picture. For first example has given to help you. So listen student, in this exercise there is a picture. Okay, there is a picture is given for you. So you have to identify this picture and you have to form 4 types of sentences about this picture. Okay, like first example you can see, this is the picture of lion. This is the picture of lion. So the lion lives in forest, कि lion forest में रहता है. Does the lion live in a forest? इसका देखो इस क्वेश्चन, इसका इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बना दिया गया. Does the lion live in forest? क्या lion forest में रहता है? Okay. Tame the wild lion. Tame the wild lion, कि मतलब कि वाइल्ड एनिमल को वश में करो, काबू में करो, ठीक है. दिस इज इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. हाउ फियरसम दिस लॉइन इज, कि हाउ फियरसम दिस लॉइन इज, इट मीन्स कि कितना डरावना है लॉइन. आप जब लॉइन को देखते हो तो आपको ये फील होता है ना, उसकी आवाज़ सुन के हाँ आप डर जाते हो. जब आप क्या बोलोगे, हाउ फियरसम दिस लॉइन इज, कि कितना डरावना है. सो यू हैव टू पुट हियर एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन, और दिस इज अ exclamatory sentence. So like this you have to make 4 type of sentences. Okay, 4 type of sentences. These are these some pictures are given in your book, so you have to form 4 type of sentences about this given pictures. Okay, like lamp. Okay, lamp. For example, there is a picture of lamp, so you have to make 4 type of sentences about lamp. Okay, so for example I am making one for you. Okay, there is, what is this, you can see, identify easily, there is a lamp. So you can say, आप ये भी बोल सकते हो this is a lamp. इजी आप बनाना चाहो तो this is a lamp. इजीली आप सबसे इजी बन, this is a lamp. This is a lamp. Which kind of sentence is this? This is a assertive sentence. Okay. अब इसी का आप इसको इंट्रोगेटिव बनाओगे तो कैसे बनाओगे आप, मैंने कहा था कि यस और नो टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस में आप है ना इसकी जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब होती है उसको बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट आप लिख सकते हो. देन इज दिस a लैम्प. ओके, इज दिस अ लैम्प, क्या ये लैम्प है, क्वेश्चन बन गया. ओके, अब आपको इसका एक्सक्लेमेटरी बनाना तो कैसे बनाओगे? हाउ यूजफुल दिस लैम्प इज, ओके, हाउ यूजफुल दिस लैम्प इज, कि यूजफुल कितना यूजफुल है लैम्प यूजफुल होता है, ओके, जब लाइट चली जाती है देन वी कैन यूज दिस लैम्प, ओके। एंड फोर्थ वन इज, सॉरी, अब इसका इम्पेरेटिव आपको बनाना तो आप बना सकते हो, स्विच ऑन द लैम्प, okay, switch on the lamp. You have to put also full stop because this is imperative sentence, okay, but in given blanks you have to write its kind also, like this is a lamp, so which kind of assertive you have to write, okay, is this a lamp, which kind of interrogative, okay student, how useful this lamp is, yes, exclamatory, okay, switch on the lamp, imperative, okay student. So like this you have to write its type also, okay. So these given picture you have to make sentence self, okay, you have to make the sentence self according the picture those are given in your book, like you can take example of pen, you can write this is a pen, this is a blue pen, then interrogative, is this a pen, is this a blue pen, yes, then imperative बनाना है तो write with pen, okay, and एक्सक्लेमेटरी बनाना है तो आप बोल सकते हो हाउ नाइस द पेन इज, हाउ नाइस द पेन इज, ओके, इस तरह से आप इसको इम्पेरेटिव बना सकते हो, ओके। एंड जो भी सॉरी, हाउ नाइस द पेन इज, दिस इज द एक्सक्लेमेटरी, तो इस तरह से आप इसको एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस बना सकते हो। सो लिसन, I mean you can form 4 type of sentences about given picture, those are in your book. So one thing I want to tell you about exclamatory sentences always start with what and how, okay, because it's your strong feeling, when you express a strong feeling then we use what and how, जैसे like आप बोल सकते हो किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में what an interesting movie, किसी भी चीज़ को आप देखें what an interesting movie, okay, what a lovely scene, okay, how cute the girl is, कितनी सुंदर लड़की है, how generous you are, आप कितने उदार हो, कितने आप kind हो, इस तरह से। तो इस तरह से आप किसी भी चीज़ को लेके आप सेंटेंस व्हाट्स और हाउ से एक्सक्लेमेटरी में बना सकते हो, ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस वीडियो।